Okay. iPhone, my old iPhone. Saying this one here, that one's fixed. So I can't really replace that bushing. That bushing's locked up. This one here is free, and it's replaceable. So I think I'm gonna use this arm. Yeah, it's a little weird, but it ain't bad. Side by side. I think we're going to use this arm. There's my new twine disc. I already test fitted it. It works good. Got to clean a few things up. There's the old parts. Pins. All my shims. More shims. Gear. It's not too bad shape. It's got a little wear there. That was probably the hardest piece to get off right there. Had to use some heat. There's one bell hook. I'll lay them here side by side. Find the other one. There's the other bell hook. Other gear. Sorry about that. There's that bell hook. Snare's got a little wear on the roller. Not terrible. Rolls free. This one here has a lot of wear. It rolls. Top on it. You can see a little wear on there, but it's not bad. I could probably just replace that piece there, make that into a spare. This piece here works good. Okay. Now you hear people talking about a twine bill hook. Let's see if I can get this right. Twine bill hook and a poly bill hook. Okay, this one here is an original twine bill hook. This one here is a poly bill hook, back whenever they still did that. Okay, the only difference I could find back in the day, whenever I changed this over, was a little bit of width and the coating. But I don't think none of that matters. So this one here, I'll probably replace that, keep that. This part's in good shape. Just replace this piece right here. This one here, yeah, I got a little brass showing through there, but I think it'll work just fine. So that's the bell hook we're going to use. But I've got plenty of gears to work through. Try. This one here has a little bit of oblong wear. This one here. That's a little more. This one here has quite a bit. This side's wore off. So between all my parts, I'm gonna take the best parts of all of it and reassemble this with the new parts. New twine finger, this is the old one. spring. Not in bad shape. And I don't know where the old cleaner went. It's like, here it is. There's the old cleaner. Which it ain't terrible. Probably cleaned up, used for a spare. That's where we're at for tonight. It's late. I need to get home. Tired. If it wasn't for my little buddy / little brother coming by, Josh, I wouldn't have got this far. But I'm about done for the day. If you guys got any questions, anything like that, I'll try to answer them. I don't know everything. Just old dumb coal miner trying to keep making hay cheap as I can. Don't make the money I used to. I ain't working in the mines no more. So, it's in pretty good shape. I got plenty of parts. I ought to be able to get a knotter put together to go with this one here. And then, I don't know if I can get over and show you. Put my light on. This new phone here is trying to get used to it. I'm going to try to set this thing up to use 140. Don't pay any attention to 110, that's for this round baler. But I've got some 130 left over, quite a bit of 130 actually. I've got some 170, which I got more of that in my other shed. Got some old sisal. What do you guys think? Should I set it up for sisal, seeing how it's thicker, and then set it up for 140, or just set it up for 130, 140? Trying to keep the cost down. That 170 is twice the price as the 130, the cheap stuff. That's, I don't know, ran that for a long time, but just depends on cost. Got the 140, which if you can run 130, you can run 140, or should I just set it up for 170 and burn all that up in the round baler? Tomorrow I'm going to swap out the carriage and get the needles somewhat mounted and start reassembling knotter. Like I said, I'll have to re-shim, make sure I got all the shims. I got plenty of shims, tearing 3 stacks apart. And then reset all my clearances, get it all put back together here on the bench. And then go from there. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you got any questions, I'm trying to get up to where I actually have enough watch hours, enough subscribers, that this might actually reach some more people, because a lot of guys working with these old balers out there, and I'll be honest with you, there's not very many baler mechanics left. I mean, you got Baler Man, you got Franklin County Forage, Ross the Oliver guy. You got a bunch of guys out there that work on their own stuff, but there's a lot of us still using this old equipment, and there's just not a whole lot of information out there. There's a few, you know, Franklin County Forage has got good stuff, Baler Man's got good stuff, most of his is shorts, but you go to your dealership, and mechanics will tell you they're not baler guys. Not many people even work on them anymore. We got one Amish guy down south of here, a couple hours, older Amish guy. He's really sharp on balers. But there's a lot of these small farms and homesteads, or whatever you want to call it, you see out there, and they're buying these older balers, and there's there's just not a lot of information out there. So maybe if we get enough subscribers and we get enough people, or this will show up in the algorithm or whatever they call it, get this information out there. Like I said, I don't know everything, but I've been doing this for a while. There's a lot of young people coming in that these balers will be 30, 40 years older than they are. And not everybody can afford to go out and drop 15 to 20,000 or 40,000 on a baler when you can buy these for $2,000, redo them yourself. But we're gonna get these all cleaned up. I'll show the reassembly, and then we get her all back together. I'm gonna hook it up to the tractor. I'll bring a round bell over. That's how I'll set everything up, get everything clearanced and tuned into whatever twine I decide to use, and we'll go from there. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.